Hi everybody, it's Lin-E here and Rosie, Campfiregirls. We just got done doing the inside touches on my closet that we did the video on the other night or the other day. We built my closet, and I kind of want to show you what we did here. I've got my heater hooked up to electricity at Rosie's cabin. I still need to get some Velcro for these little shelves so they don't slide out, but that's all my cooking stuff down there. I think I'm going to put some miscellaneous down there too. This basket is for miscellaneous stuff. There's my cutting board. Probably put maybe some snacks or Rosie's snacks and maybe some of her food in that basket there. I just kind of did a little black scarf around the inside of the basket so this stuff won't fall through the bottom. I got some butterfly stickers here I'm going to put up here in a bit. But anyway, let me dig the pillows. Here's the top shelf right here. This is my headboard. So when I'm laying down, this is my top shelf. And I've decided I'm going to put my bathroom stuff here. All the stuff for a shower, my shower bag, you know, makeup, deodorant, toothbrush stuff, all that stuff's going to go up here on this top shelf. Then down here, I just got done putting this scarf around it on the outside. And there's the floor, and there's a secret right on the bottom there. I pinned that little so I could put stuff underneath inside of that just to keep safe if I wanted something down in there that doesn't want to get seen, or, you know, it's a good little pocket to put, you know, some socks or something like that so they don't fall off. And then the floor here, let me put this out of the way. The floor here, I put the rest of some Thinsulate so I could keep some of this coldness from coming into my headboard. But all of this up to the top, there's my shower tent and stuff. But this is be all closed, all closed, all closed. I'm excited about that. I can just reach in here from my bed, get whatever I want. I've got 2 pillows that zip closed for carrying clothes. Then I've got a couple plastic bags. So, I say between those, it'll all be stored separately. And then right here, I put a screw or a hook right up here. And right here by my bed is my whistle and some mace, in the event that I need something really fast. I've got an intruder or something like that, and it's right here by my bed. And I'll also hang my keys right here when I go to bed at night, so I'll know where they're at. So like that. Then right down here is all the plastic bowls and stuff. If I need a bowl up here for mixing my food or put up leftovers or whatever, they're right here. And then up in this top shelf, right here, is my plates, and my silverware is right there in that blue container. And I've still got plenty of room. I got trash bags, matches, scrubbing stuff, just all kinds of, I've got a couple water bottles. I'm probably going to put my water bottle and my vinegar and water bottle up here by my silverware, so I can grab it from the back and wash off. The most plates that get used is for Rosie's food. She eats off a plate, so, you know, she's a Yorkie. So, this is one of my pillows here. And then here's my other pillow. This is going to be so comfortable. And then that'll be nice to have my shower bag and everything right there. Okay, then of course I got my comfortable seat. And there's an extra blanket we got, which I've been just putting it on this seat so I could cover up with it if I'm sitting in the seat, which I'll probably do better. Down here, now my stove is under my bed, so I've got it under my bed. Then I've got this little mini cooker that it's got a little lid to it, and it hardly draws any power. And I tell you what, I'm probably going to be using it a lot instead of my big grill until I get, you know, set up outside or whatever. But that thing will cook a hamburger patty and some eggs, and I just loved it. Loved it. I tried it on in the house, and I used my little Blue Eddy for it. Didn't hardly draw anything. Then down here, I got my spices, spatulas. This goes around my grill. That's the little, oh, what do you call it? The little, oh, to keep the wind out of the flame and all that. And I've got some miscellaneous stuff I'm going to put down there too. Salt and pepper, scissors, this little cord I got, and this goes to my 12 volt electric blanket I just got. So it's plugged in and ready to go, and I've got it on my bed. This is my knife for cutting up stuff. It's my Campfiregirls hot pads that Sherry gave me, my friend. And there's my little skillet. Ready to cook. It's all seasoned, ready to go. My refrigerator's back there, ready to be plugged in. I can open the top with that basket there. Of course, that's Rosie's, where the heater's sitting right now. That's Rosie's ride when we're driving. And then she's going to be down here on the bed with me. And up here in this window, I've got, this is my little microwave bag, warm-up bag, Hot Logic. It's not a Hot Logic, I can't remember the name of it, but it's just like one. I've used it once, worked wonderfully. I need to make, I've got some bowls that fit in there. I'm probably going to make me some stuff to warm up on the road and put it in the freezer so it's ready to go. But I love that thing too. So I've got that. I've got my little skillet there. And I've got my new little camp stove. I can sit right here. I've got a board that goes right here I'm going to work on right now. I'm putting my United States on it so I can start getting that filled in. I was looking at it, and there's a lot of states I have gone to. This little light I love. Now, this is a bug light and a light. I'm going to have to charge that. There's the bug light. And believe me, it'll get your bugs. And then this light looks like it's... Oh, there it is. Dummy. Dummy. There it is. And it's got bright and low, and then flash and light if you need be. But I need to charge all this stuff before I get ready to go. But I love that light. It's one of the last lights I got last year. And there's a mosquito stuck on it right there. Anyway, love that. Love that light. And with that light on, I've got it hanging right by the door, so I can just turn it on when I reach in here, because I always leave my inside lights turned off on the front, so I don't have to worry about my battery running down. And that light works fine for me. I don't need any other lights in here. I've got some... Once I get my TV on, I really don't need any light. But I got some fairy lights that are wrapped around my shelf here that I can turn on. I've got this little light here that's just for ambiance. And I got my flashlight. So I'm not doing the big clanking lantern lights. I might take a couple for outdoors when we're outdoors. But other than that, I don't think I'm going to get any more lights. I mean, don't need a whole lot of light in here. But anyway, I just wanted to show you my closet. I'm kind of really happy with it. I'm going to step out and show you it from the outside. Okay, so there is the outside of the closet. Underneath, I got so much storage under there, it's crazy. And so behind this curtain is where all my clothes are going to go. Then up here on this shelf is where all my bathroom bag is going to go. Makeup, hair stuff, all that stuff. So, it's just pretty nifty. I put some insulation on the back, or on the bottom of that shelf. Hopefully some cold air keeps the cold air from coming in, but looking pretty good. I'm liking it.